Today we will be changing a contactor on this unit, burnt up. This is the old one. And this is my torque wrench. This is the new contactor that we will be installing. The new contactor. Very good. We'll put that there. We've got the wires to replace in case the ones that we have on the unit are burnt up. Alright. I'll put the old contactor in here. Okay, we're going to keep this in case manufacturer will want this back because this is under warranty. Put that aside. Okay, so make sure our power is off. This is our tag. Okay. Let's open that up. So this is our incoming power. We got a 3-phase power supply at top. Secondary, where outgoing is load power is at the bottom. They are off. Let's keep it off. Okay. Let's remove this panel. Okay. What we're gonna need for that is, let's try 10 mil. 10 mil is a good size. Let's use this. We'll use a short one. Get in there. All the screws are out. I'm going to set this aside. So here are the wires. We need to cut those wires and replace these. Yeah. These wires stay. So we will replace these wires right here. So this contactor, the tightening of the lugs is specified here. I think we need, there's a torque spec right here. Tightening torque, 14 newton meters or 124 pounds per inch. 8 gauge. Wire. Take a picture of this. Guess we need to refer back to it once the contactor is installed. Okay. So to install this, this is our hardware. 1, 2, 3, 4 wires. We just lost the washer. Where did our washer go? Since the contactor has openings at the bottom, we can pre-install the bottom legs. Just like so. So this is just going to be temporary, just to get our
So we're going to try to make sure that our phasing is going to be hooked up the same as it was before. Red on the outside, black on the left side, and blue would be in the middle. Okay. So we're going to mark where our contactor touches. Okay, now let's take the contactor back out. Okay, so what are we going to use to cut this wire? I can use either a saw or clamps. Let's see. To bottom out the wire. So that's about an inch, right? Let me take a measure. Here, that's an inch. So, my mark, I'm gonna want to go down another inch, and that should be the length of where we cut. And strip it here, cut there. So, these two will be. Okay, now that we have our wires marked, I'm going to make this cut all the way around to take the insulation off. Actually, cut it at the top and leave all that insulation going. Always lift the wire a little bit higher. We should cut it here. this cleanly. I think I'm good. Okay, we're going to mark, cut an inch down, about there, about there, about there. Okay, let's cut there. Okay. There's one. There's three. Okay. Clean up all this. Cut off. Make sure none of these are left in here. Do not want anything to be shorting out after. Okay, that looks good. Now, let me clean it up a little bit. Using my dice.
How hard is that? Prepare to see.
Okay, now that the wires cut, we are ready to install our contactor. Let's make sure nothing fell down in here that we need to clean out. Looks clean. Looks clean. Clean. Okay. We will install the transfer legs, transfer bars, I guess you would call them. Okay, that's pretty good. Challenging. That would be on the back side. Okay. And now let's tighten them. leave it somewhat loose so we can move them if we need to. Okay. This will be on the back side, so we need to move these. Okay, they're down. Let's push these out of the way. Slide the contactor right there. Let's install our top screw in the contactor to hold it in place. Okay, let's get the second side, other side. Okay, the breaker is in, wires are connected, everything's torqued down, so I have torqued this, that one. Those have been torqued to, I believe it was 140 inches in pounds, or it was at 14 Newton meters. 14 Newton meters. And tying by hand all of these screws. Confirmed all these are tight. Confirmed these wires are ran to the same phasing as the previous wires were. The way it was hooked up at the factory. At this point, I am ready to power this unit on. Watch its operation. So let's do it. No smoking. Good. Hopefully there won't be any error codes. Let's see. Came up with motor breaker error. And let's find out what that means. Yeah, I believe the motor breaker should be one of those. So, let's turn that off. This is on. Lock this back up. Let's try this again. Gone. Heat up. Press hold. Okay. Let's mark this cycle. Main contactor is pulled in. Surprised this contactor is not pulling in. As for the heating elements, door safety closed to verify. Yes. Second contactor pulled in. See if our temperature starts going up. Yep, sure is. Let's check our draws on the whole system.
Yeah.
And how are we going to do that? Is probably inside this panel. Let's turn the power off. Open the panel. Turn this power on. Leave that there. Yes. Good. Contactor pulled in. We are pulling 101. Phase A. 100 phase B. 100 AC. Now let's check our voltage. 206. 206. 205. That is good with me. We'll leave this and start cleaning up. Just gotta clean up all the work. Good job.